So today we got ourselves a bent front fork. It's pretty noticeable. It goes bang, which isn't right, and that can cause a lot of problems, a lot of rubbing, and it'll just damage the scooter. It's just not right to have a bent front fork, and that's what we'll be doing today. We'll be replacing the whole front fork. And over here we got ourselves a brand new one, which is a lot straighter and in line than the older one, but you can watch me replace one. Get the stickers off. So in this scenario, we kind of have to just take apart everything that's connected to the fork. So the tires, the wheels, covers, the fender, the brake. Oh my god. So many things. Alright. Alright, now for the brake. This one's a little annoying because it's constant loosening. What the hell? Here we go. Next. Do. One eternity later. This is like the longest part of the whole repair. It's actually so annoying. What can I say? Okay, my right wrist is killing for like the past 2 days. There we go. Put it in order, that way it doesn't get confused later. This I'll need later for a different repair. See, the bigger one is easier. This tinier one is like nylon locked or something like that. That's what it's called. They have like a little strip which makes it harder for them to come off and stay on stronger, I guess. Oh, there we go. Hoo-hoo-hoo. There we go. Work. It won't work. Put it in order so you don't forget. There we go. That's for the wheel. Look at all them muscles. There we go. Now, for taking off the whole thing, yes, you want to be careful. This is like the backup one. It's a lot safer. You don't want to strip the bolt. Damn, that's tight, bruh. Ow. Working on the weekend like usual. My weekends are Mondays and Tuesdays. It's pretty bad. Working on the weekend like usual. Working on the weekend like usual. Working on the weekend like usual. Take a 5. And then you start working on the weekend like usual. That needs to be tightened. Gotta keep that in mind. Watch it drop, watch it drop. Ooh, funnies. Oh. There we go. There's the dust cover. Keep that there. Bearing off. See, these bearings are a lot better. I think the G30P and the F series have like, they don't have the sealed bearings, they have the other ones. It's slipping my mind right now. But yeah, look at that bend, guys. There we go. Now, as for the new one, now we gotta do all that, but in reverse. I think it should be better if I do it on the other side. In this case, we could actually just take this out. Switch it to this. This way we got constant pressure coming upwards. That way, it's a lot easier to put on. Put this guy back in. Start threading them. Is he aligned? Yep. Let's tighten him a little more. That way it's not loose. That should do. We can adjust that later. Doesn't have to be too tight at the moment. Now, wheel. Muscles, I tell you, muscles. There we go. Now I can let that stand. There we go. Okay, now we're reconstructing the whole brake. We gotta follow that order we put everything in. Well, we kind of broke that order, but that's okay. To make it a lot easier. There we go. Get on, boy. Here, another eternity later. No! Please! Just get on faster. There we go. And then we got this guy. See, that's that little nylon strip I'm talking about. Helps lock everything. That way, this guy doesn't mess up. It's like a backup. Know what I mean? Yeah, know what I mean? Suffering from success. Oh my god, guys. Crazy. Oh, that's tight. Holy. In this case, tight isn't always too good because you want to balance your brakes. So you want half mechanical and half electronic. And the electronic brake only gets engaged halfway through the tension. So it's like a little sensor here. You want it to be equal. It's safer that way. That way it puts less stress on this thing here too. Oh, he's got good brakes now. There we go. That's a lot better. Now we counterlock that so it stays. Alright. Finally, we're almost done. The right one and the left one. Not bad. I mean, yeah. Do 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 do. All good to go.